Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an Apple Pay invoice using a QR code on your mobile phone device. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. First of all, you have to use an invoicing platform. Choose an invoicing platform that supports QR codes for payments. Examples include PayPal, Square, or your preferred payment processor. Create an invoice. Sign up or log in into the invoicing platform, create a new invoice and enter the relevant details such as the amount, description, and due date. Add Apple Pay as a payment option. Ensure that Apple Pay or your desired payment method is set up within the invoicing platform. Now, the easy part is generate the QR code. Once you've added Apple Pay as a payment option, the platform may provide an option to generate a QR code for the invoice. If the platform doesn't allow for you to generate a QR code instantly, you can simply go to QR code generator from any website online, and then you can simply go here and then paste whatever link that they gave you. Once you do that, it will generate for you the QR code, the logo, and the shape, and you may add whatever you want like, and you can download it as a JPG, and then you can print that. Now to share the invoice with your customer through email, messaging, or your preferred communication method. Customer makes payment. The customers can scan the QR code using the Apple Pay of their preferred payment app, making the payment process more convenient. Confirm the payment. Once the payment is made, you should receive a confirmation through the invoicing platform. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.